Hey guys, my name is Riven from alienthink.com, and I want to welcome you to the Blender Character Modeling for Beginners series. So in this video series, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process in showing you how to model a realistic version of the human figure completely from scratch without using any reference. And the way we're going to do this is by using my formula-based system. So these are formulas that I've developed through the years that allow me to create a realistic version of the human figure completely from scratch, again without using any reference for any type of character design that I'm doing. And the cool thing about these formulas is that you can of course change them around to get different variations of the human figure. So I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step process understanding how to use these formulas. Now, one of the great things about this formula-based system is that it gives you a very deep and intimate understanding of how the human figure is actually constructed in 3D space. We're also talking about all these little details of surface anatomy. And the other thing about this formula-based system is that it also teaches you how to use Blender's powerful modeling tools. So to start, what I want to do is actually just give you an overview of what this figure is going to look like. So let's first go ahead. I'm going to just zoom out over here so you can see the full figure over here, what it's going to look like. So you can see that this figure is correctly proportioned over here. This is what you're going to be creating. So this is what it looks like from the front. This is what it looks like from the side. And this is what it looks like from the back. So I'm going to go to the front view over here, and let's go and take a look at the face over here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of the cycles rendered mode over here. So I'm just going to switch to solid view, and I'm going to click on the layer over here. So you can see that we're going to be learning how to model these accurately proportioned human figures. So I'm going to be showing you how to model the human head, the nose, the eyes, and how to do the lips correctly. And we're also going to be taking a look at how to do the ears using the formula-based system. And then take a look at this area over here. We're going to be taking a look at how to do all these muscles over here for the neck, the clavicle. You've got the pec muscles, you've got the serratus muscles, the obliques, the abs, the love handles. And if I take a look at the back, you can see that we have the dorsi muscle, the trapezius, the shoulder muscles, the deltoid, the triceps over here, all the muscles for the forearm over here. And then let's take a look at the back over here. You can see that all the muscles for the back, on the side view for the legs, and this is what the muscles are going to look like for the front. So you can see that it looks very realistic. And let's go ahead and take a look at the feet over here. So you're going to learn how to do all of this using the formula-based system, and you're going to get the same exact results when you follow along in this video series. So this is what it looks like from the bottom over here. So let's take a look at the hand over here, and actually the arm. So here are your biceps. You can see the triceps over here again. And if you take a look at the hand over here, we're going to be creating a realistic version of the hand with the nails over here. And let's just take a look at the bottom of the hand. Okay, so you can see that the formula-based system allows you to create a very accurate representation of the human figure. Now here's the other thing. Because we're going to be using this formula-based system, it will automatically give you the right topology. So if I click on tab over here, you can see that it's going to give you very good topology that will allow you to animate this figure using Blender's rigging system. Okay, so I'm just going to do tab, and I'm just going to zoom in over here. Okay, so in the next lesson, I'm going to give you an overview of Blender. You need a general understanding of how Blender works to follow along in this video series, and as we go through each lesson, I'll get a little deeper into all the little features of a Blender. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.